Welcome, everybody. It is Crypto Moose, and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is talk about the brand new official Trump meme coin, and we'll talk about some other stuff. So guys, keep in mind that nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice. You're listening to a loose moose, so invest at your own risk. Currently, I am holding 0 meme coins. I'm going to talk about what happened over the last couple days, why I believe it happened, and I'll talk about a little bit of what I'm doing. Okay, so as you guys know, if you guys go to Twitter, if you're alive on there, Donald Trump from his official Twitter posted that he is launching an official meme coin. So when this first happened, people were going a little, was he hacked? What's going on? Well, what makes it weird and kind of funny, but also kind of crazy, kind of Trumpish is he's inaugurated today. So he's going to be president again today. And he did this just a day or two before. So pretty crazy for a president to have launched his meme coin before getting in again. So pretty amazing. I think it's cool. I also think the timing is kind of weird. It's like, he's made so much in crypto now. I mean, you're talking billions. Like, if anybody's going to do it, it's the Trump brand, okay? So what's actually monumentally insane for those of you that have been watching is that it is now number 18 on CoinMarketCap. Okay, guys, I saw this thing from $4 go up to 70 at one point. We'll get into that. But guys, it has passed Polkadot in Litecoin. It's valued higher than Uniswap. Pepe, it crushed Pepe in one day. Guys, in one day. Okay? One day. So Aave, Apto. So that's why I wasn't around to make any videos. I was working on something else, and I'll talk about it. I'll share with you what I was doing. So Aave, Ondo. So effectively, and I've done a video on this, guys. I talked about it. The reason Solana is going to do well and why it's pumped up is because if people want to get exposure to memes, and this was a prime example, almost too good to be true. If you want to get exposure to memes, you're going to set up a Phantom wallet, and you're going to buy Solana and start trading. The friction, there's no friction there. It's easy. You send tokens to your wallet and you start getting exposure. Okay? So what I did is I took advantage of this and I was able to get official Baron, official Elon, and I did quite well trading a little bit there. So as you can see, they're down now. I'm out. I was out a while ago. But I did want to give you an idea. Down here when they were launched, they pumped up, Moose got out. And then, of course, down here, they pumped up again, Moose got out. Okay. So I did well on that. The big one was going to be Elon because that market cap went up to like 100 mil market cap. Yeah, up here. So that wasn't that long ago. So I was staying up late for that. So there was that. And then I think I did poorly on... I don't know, there was a couple others. There was like the fake Melanias. But guys, to make this crazier, okay, so right now we are Monday, January 20th, and I want to hear your comments. Did you guys buy this? What are your thoughts? Is it just crazy? Should he be doing this? Probably not. Like, guys, this is unbelievable. So if we scroll down, after the success of Trump, by the way, you see Melania Trump post hers, and Trump retweeted it. You can buy $ Melania. So this thing went to like 8 billion in market cap as well. So just to get into it first, guys, this thing went to like $70. Yeah. And it launched high. I believe it launched at like 100 mil market cap. Yeah, somebody was talking about that, I believe. Went to $73 and it's trading down. So be careful. Do I think this is going to go away? Probably not. Honestly, if this thing ate up Doge, I wouldn't be surprised. Because you have a sitting president, probably the most famous person in the world. Definitely. I mean, guys, the fact that this is number 18 in market cap. Guys, like, it's insane. Like, Sui better watch out. Cardano better watch out. Okay? So here you got Melania. Guys, like, just a cool 1 bill market cap, but it was significantly higher at one point. I thought it was at a 4 billion market cap. Very possible. So that's basically it. I'm still trying to process everything. For those of you that know a lot about crypto and that have been in the space, it's somewhat unusual and amazing at the same time, and also, I don't know. I mean, should you be doing that 2 days before an election? Like, how legit is that? I don't know, but that's where we're at. I mean, guys, if you look under memes, it's a top, not a top 10, not a top 5, it's a top 3. It might be number 2 soon. To catch up to Doge will be difficult, but it could. Why not? Right? He comes in there and he starts passing legislations regarding Bitcoin. Boom. So, in my opinion, I think it's a good time to get in the market. I'm buying, I'm holding, and Moose is getting loose. So, guys, if you want, head over to the link tree. You guys can go to crypto.com, buy Trump. It's listed there. I mean, even Melania coin is listed on crypto.com. Just unbelievable. So, guys, pick up a hardware wallet. Actually, Tangem, I think they support Trump. So, if you guys want, pick up a Tangem ring, hold your Trump meme token if you want. And I say if you want because I don't own any of these right now. I know how fast narrative comes and goes. So, guys, use code Moose, save 10%, and comment down below. Give me your thoughts. And like, quite honestly, I'm still trying to process everything because it's been a day. It's been literally a day. Okay. And really it shook out a lot of, see, that's why you got to get in and out. Okay. So there's Baron. Okay. Guys, you gotta get in and out. That's why I don't do videos on this. So yeah, I'm sure in another video too, because I was doing all this on my phone, I'll share some screenshots and what I was up to. So, all right, guys. So we'll chat soon. Cheers.